Start our video today. Our first full day on the vineyard here on South Beach State Park in Eggerstown. Just enjoying a beautiful beach day. The water's very cold. In fact, the tide is slowly creeping up here. Beautiful beach day. So just over there's an airport. Every once in a while you can see planes take off. Missed them last time they filmed. We'll catch them next time they take off. It's right over there, kind of where we're parked. Well, we ate dinner, and little man slept the entire time.
Is this all documented?
Sorry guys, you spare another night. Poor little guys. Alright, it's day 2 of the adventure. Guess they went to the beach today. We're going on a boat, but not that boat. We're going on a sailboat. Something like that over there. Have to get on the dinghy first though. Going on the boat.
Good morning so far? Yeah.
Yeah, so far. Nice weather. There we go. There's the boat we're going on. Sail up, the little guy.
Yeah, reveal.
There you go.
That's not nice. Whee! 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 Little Easton! His first boat ride. Well, second, technically, right? Because you were on the ferry earlier.
Yeah, but we didn't actually use the car, so.
Oh, you guys didn't get a car? No.
Oh, we don't pick it up.
Yeah. It's like a tent.
Makes me think of parachute, like it's
Heading back to the harbor. Oh, we didn't see Jaws. That's good.
That's good. Elephant overboard.
If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe and click the alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later. Bye.